We are going to prepare our mushrooms. So these are some king oyster mushrooms. So this end part, I'm going to take that off. And actually this end part, we can take that, dry it out. And then we're going to take off the head. And then just take the remaining part and we're just going to pull it apart. And so I'm going to do this with all of my mushrooms. I have all my mushrooms down here on the tray. These are going to go inside the oven and get cooked down. Now that our mushrooms are all prepared, we're going to shred them. So all you do, now I have this descaling tool and I'll use this, but if you don't, then 2 forks will do you. So all you gotta do is take your mushroom and just your fork and pull, and you see how easy this shreds. I'm gonna go ahead and shred the rest of these. Oyster mushrooms are all shredded up. See how the oyster mushroom is here? I love how that shreds out. I'm going to put this over on the eye.
And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking here where it says subscribe, and then right next to it you want to click the little bell because that gives you the notifications for whenever I'm going to have an awesome new video. You're going to put the check inside of the box to send me all notifications for this channel, and then you go ahead and click on the save so you save those notifications. And after all that, make sure that you don't leave the video without giving it a thumbs up. So click I like this, give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you leave me a positive, constructive criticism in the comment section.